दिवाली में धमाका होगा कूली नंबर 1 का। The Varun Sara starrer, which had initially opted for a theatrical release, will now release directly on an OTT platform like numerous other films this year. The pandemic has wrecked everyone's plans this year, and while shoots slowly resume, theaters remain closed as a safety measure, forcing many films whose release date has been pushed and postponed to have an OTT premiere. After resisting for many months, आखिर कूली नंबर 1 भी एक OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पर ही रिलीज होगी, just in time for Diwali. After many A-list stars like Ajay Devgan and Akshay Kumar chose to release their films online with theaters closed indefinitely, लगता है David Dhawan, who had earlier decided to give Coolie Number 1 a theatrical release, has also changed his mind. The makers have apparently struck a deal with a leading OTT platform and sold the right to the film and decided that the release will be on the auspicious occasion of Diwali, when people can watch this mass entertainer from the comfort of their homes. Sara's colleague and competitors like Janhvi Kapoor and Ananya Pandey's films also are releasing on OTT platforms. Janhvi की फिल्म Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl, and Ananya's upcoming film Khali Pili both have chosen an OTT route. According to a source close to Coolie Number 1, the idea was to hold back for a theatrical release. But in current times, there is no clarity on reopening of cinema halls, and hence they took the tough call of opting for a direct-to-digital release. The team feels that Diwali is the ideal time to get the family audiences glued onto the television and laptop screens to collectively enjoy the comic caper. In case there was some home theatres opening soon, the makers would have waited for a theatrical release on January 1st as per the original plan. In some other good news for Varun Dhawan, who has been going through a lean patch at the box office, and the producer's film Vashu Bhagnani, Coolie Number 1 has acquired at the third highest amount out of all films going the OTT route. A source tells us, after Lakshmi Bomb and Bhuj, it's Coolie Number 1 that has fetched the maximum money, reconsolidating Varun Dhawan's star power and film's anticipation among the audience. It's a shocking decision, but the team was left with no other option as the future of cinema halls looks bleak at the moment. With pandemic numbers continuing to rise or stay high and the lockdown restriction extending in different parts across India, theatres have to remain closed for everyone's safety. ऐसे में the exhibitor's loss has become the gain of OTT platforms, who are giving filmmakers a chance to get their films across to the public. There lies little chance for any film to release in cinema halls this year, as none of them will open to full capacity, thereby making the theatrical release a loss-making proposition. The Coolie Number 1 team has taken a wise decision to avoid an additional burden on the budget. Well, we are happy, क्योंकि we are gonna get to watch this entertainer. Big screen हो या small screen, हमें तो बस सिनेमा से मतलब है।